Hello, so we are back in this time with another Temu tools review. If you ever think to start doing electronics, today it's a good day. We have some tools for beginners and not only. We have a perfect all-in-one tool. This is a good brand tool. We have a multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator. Then we have a solder iron. We have a DIY kit and a component electronic kit, including the PCBs. Now, before we are starting, let's have a look on the Temu website, and you can have a look yourself, grab some deals or clearance deals, then use your phone, create an account, check the link on the description, you'll find the link, you click the link, you install the app on your phone, and after you install the app, use the code from the screen on the search bar. You put the code on search bar, you search for the code, and you grab the £100 discount coupon. You can buy these items or you can buy whatever you like. Now we're gonna start with the all-in-one tool. This is like a must-have tool. Not only is branded, and you know the brand because on every of my video I'm using their USB power meter, same brand, yeah? So when you start the device, you can choose the multimeter or signal generator or oscilloscope. Let's pick up the multimeter. And you have a proper fast multimeter. Check here. Quite fast, right? Now we're gonna use the multimeter during this video. Now we have the multimeter. We need a solder iron. And this is the solder iron. Quite nice, right? Yeah, I know. More than that, if you don't like the tip, you can quickly replace it with a different one. We have a nice support here, and the cleaning sponge is getting hot pretty quickly, and it's working fine, yeah? Let's move on. So you are a beginner. You have the all-in-one, the multimeter, you have the solder iron. Now you have to start building a soldering skill. And it's nothing better than a DIY kit. A DIY kit comes with everything, like the components, the schematic, the board. All you have to do is to solder them on the board. So what do we have here? We have an electronic lucky wheel kit. And you're right, you have the schematic exactly here. Now let's start soldering the components. And everything is ready. Check there. According with schematic and the solders, perfect. Now let's plug two batteries. So the batteries are plugged, and all what is left is actually to push the button, right? Okay, so it's like an electronic dice. Check there. Perfect, huh? It's nothing more beautiful than start doing electronics as a hobby. Because, you know, when you have like customers and deadlines and, you know, it's a different story. But being like a hobby, start doing this kind of stuff. I mean, it's something you made it with your own hand. You build it. So if you're looking for this kind of kit, just check the link on the description. You can install the app and buy it. But if you don't like this one, you can buy something else. But that's the way how you start. We made it through the first step, yeah? Building a soldering skill. Now the next step, it will be actually to pick ourselves a schematic and do something. So we're gonna use a board. I'm gonna try to find a schematic online, and we can do it together, yeah? And if you check online for electronic schematics for beginners, you're gonna find a lot. So what about an electronic lantern? Let me grab some components. We have a bunch of transistors here. We need 2 NPN transistors. Let's solder the transistor. Perfect. Perfect. Then we need adjustable resistor. 503, 50 kilo ohms. Now we have to wire the components. So we need a track from here. This is ground. Of course you can use wires, yeah? I'm just trying to short the time. Perfect. Then the other side of the adjustable resistor has to go at the collector of this transistor. Perfect. And all what we need now is a LED. Perfect. So this it will be our plus wire and this one minus. Now let's test it together. I'm gonna use my power supply. So we have minus. Ta-da! I can see the LED lightning. So we can adjust. So check here. From full to 0. So what do you think about that, huh? I'm gonna show you one more time. Okay, we simplify a little bit the schematic. And that's what we did. You can also use only one transistor, but I try to, keep with the schematic. Cool? So that's how you use the PCBs. Now on this kit, you have LEDs, you have a bunch of diodes, capacitors, more capacitors, then you have resistors, and a lot of LEDs, and you have some chips, some speaker, charging ports. It's a solid kit. Now everything here has been soldered with this solder iron. I use like 370 degrees and it's working great, fantastic. Then you have the multimeter. When you are building stuff, you have problems, they are not working how it's supposed to work, you have the multimeter. Like here we can check the voltage on my power supply and we have 3.3. Then you have the beeping mode, diode, capacitor, frequencies, temperature, milliamps and amps. Then on the mode, let's go to oscilloscope. You just push one button and you have the oscilloscope. Also, you can test it internally because it has a signal generator and it's working great. Sensitive, you can see any signal shape. Now this one is up to 10 megahertz, but it's more than enough. You can have a look on different signal shapes. Like I said before, a must-have tool just because it's all in one. I'm gonna stop now, but one more time, you have the app on the description of this video. Install the app on your phone, create an account, then use this code on the search bar and you grab the £100 discount coupon. In this way, basically you can grab them for free. So thank you for watching, like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.